Alright, so this is group 8 in Engineering 1330, section 007. My name is Richard Evans.
I'm Ertan Kapili.
And I'm Leo Isvikov.
And we decided to go with the concrete strength project. We decided to go with this one because it relates more with the real world than the other projects. And we also share a common interest in the civil engineering problems that this project brings. So this project was a perfect choice. Before going into it, we reviewed the attached articles in the Jupyter file from Blackboard, and we did this in order to help familiarize ourselves with the data. We got a good idea on the different ways concrete is designed in order to get the best possible level of strength and performance out of it. After we familiarized ourselves with the project and the questions at hand, we split up the project into equal tasks. However, we all did research on the concrete with the articles given, but Artan focused on the data analyzation and the correlation. I focused on the building the data models and visualizing the data, and Leo focused on describing and understanding the database and finding the best tools to use to form data models.
Alright, with our tasks and assignments given to us, we decided to meet at the Texas Tech Library a few times a week for about 1 or 2 hours at a time. Our objectives for this project are to familiarize ourselves with concrete design, analyze concrete compressive strength data, and to make a predictive model of concrete mixture data, and to be able to accurately predict the strength and assessment of uncertainty of predicted strength.
Going into the project, we first used statistical functions in order to get statistical info from the Excel file. We did this using functions such as info, .describe. Further then, we would use data to help build our linear regression models and plot our data in order to see correlations between data points. We run into the limitations of being beginner coders and not being entirely sure as others. We're also unwary of statistical things and linear regressions. But from there, we're gonna perfect our knowledge on this code and research more functions that could be useful to us. Moving forward, we plan on further visualizing our data points, creating heat maps, and additionally, we want to implement more linear regression into our models. Okay, so here's our info.describe, describing the data frame itself, and then here we have more statistical information from the mean and standard deviation. From there, we'll have the heat map detailing all the correlations between each variable, and from there, we'll have pair plots that create plots between all the different things. We have markdowns, so we'll write in what we think about these correlations later. But that's for the future.